Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Canada is one of the prime and job-rich countries in the world with fresh and diverse job opportunities for international students. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic for international students in Canada: how to apply for permanent residency, that is PR, after completing your studies and working on a post-graduation work permit. So, if you are ready, let's dive right in. As an international student in Canada, securing PR status can open up a world of opportunities. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to navigate the process. First and foremost, determine your eligibility for PR in Canada. Look into different immigration programs like Express Entry, Provincial Nominee Programs, or Canadian Express Class. Take note of the specific requirements, including work experience, language proficiency, and more. For our intents and purposes, we will be looking into post-graduation work permit after the completion of our course. While working on your post-graduation work permit, gain relevant work experience. This will play a crucial role in your PR application. The length of work and experience required may vary depending on the immigration program you choose. To enhance your chances, improve your language proficiency in English or French. Many programs require language test scores such as IELTS or CLPIP. It is assumed that we have already recorded a good score in IELTS or TOEFL, so we already passed these criteria. Research various immigration programs suitable for individuals with Canadian work experience. The Canadian Experience Class is one popular option, allowing students with at least 1 year of skilled work experience in Canada to apply for PR, which is also our recommended choice. Create an Express Entry profile on the official Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada website. Provide accurate information about your qualifications, work experience, language skills and other relevant details. If you have a specific province or territory in mind, explore PNP aligned with your qualifications. A provincial nomination can boost your CRS score and increase your chances of receiving an invitation to apply for PR. If you receive an ITA, congratulations! It's time to submit your PR application to the IRCC. Complete the application form and include all necessary documents such as work experience letters, educational credentials, language test results, and police clearances. The IRCC will review your application, conduct background checks, and verify the information provided. They may request additional documentation or conduct interviews if necessary. So, be prepared to respond promptly and provide any required information. If your application is approved, you will receive a confirmation of permanent residence (COPR) document. This document will provide details on how and when to complete the final steps to obtain your PR status. Once you have your COPR, an immigration officer will review your documents and grant you official PR status. You will then receive a permanent resident card, PR card, by mail at your Canadian address. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on applying for permanent residency in Canada as a student with a post-graduation work permit. Remember, this is just an overview and it's essential to stay updated with the latest information from the official IRCC website or consult an immigration professional for personalized guidance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.